In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make classical buildings in Blender. We'll start by setting up a single reusable building module, typically a window section. Add a cube and scale it so it fills a small wall segment where a window would sit, leaving extra space above and around it for later trim. Add a few edge loops with Ctrl+R to define the main structure, select the center face and extrude it inward to carve a window recess. This becomes your base architectural module, so keep it clean and proportionate. Next, build depth into the frame. Add more loop cuts around the opening, then extrude faces outward at different levels so the frame steps out in layers. Use bevels to soften sharp edges and encourage nice highlights. Classical architecture thrives on layered depth, shadow casting edges, and repeated geometric complexity, so vary those planes intentionally. Add supporting window elements to make it feel like a real assembly. For the bottom stool, place a stretched cube under the recess, extrude and bevel its edges, and introduce a slight curve for style. For side supports, use cubes with inset and extrusion, then mirror them for symmetry. Top it with a casing by adding extra geometry above the window and stacking a few shallow extrusions to build richness. For refined molding, use the custom bevel trick. Select an edge loop, press Ctrl+B, open the bevel settings, and switch the profile type to custom. Now you can sculpt curved, decorative edges, shape classic profiles, and save your favorites for reuse across the building. Ornamental details elevate the style. You can add a Bezier curve, trace a motif, and give it thickness in the curve's geometry settings, or kit bash ornaments from free libraries and place them where structure would naturally support them. Apply materials with a classic palette, beige, sandstone, or off-white stone. Use image textures instead of flat colors, plugging them into base color, roughness, and a bump map. For surface detail, connect your texture through a bump node and into the normal input to add fine-grained brick irregularities and subtle erosion. If textures stretch when you duplicate modules, use Smart UV Project or manually unwrap, then adjust scale in the UV editor. Age the facade by mixing your base shader with grunge textures and a darker diffuse, guided by an ambient occlusion node and a color ramp to push dirt into creases and darken edges. For windows, skip heavy glass simulations and use image textures with curtains or soft reflections. Then assemble the building with the array modifier. Duplicate modules horizontally and stack vertically, adding small variations per floor for realism. Break up flat walls with columns made from inset cubes, extruded upward, repeated with arrays. Add corners, recesses, and structural frames. Crown the building with cornices, trims, and sculpted edges, reusing modular or kit-bashed elements. Set your camera early, test lighting, and check the silhouette. Build depth with foreground, middle, and background elements and vary modules slightly. For the final polish, adjust materials, fix shading issues, balance lighting, and fine-tune contrast. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.